Hey, TravelPug family! Theatre has long been part of the cultural rhythm of American cities. Historic playhouses, restored opera houses, and vibrant performing arts districts continue to shape the travel experience for visitors who enjoy storytelling on stage. In this short journey from TravelPug, we explore several US cities where classic theatres and live performances remain an important part of the urban landscape. From grand Broadway venues to carefully preserved historic stages, these destinations offer travellers a thoughtful way to experience performing arts across the country. Number 1. New York City, New York. New York City remains one of the most influential theatre capitals in the world. The Broadway Theatre District in Manhattan is home to many historic venues that date back to the early 20th century. Ornate interiors, glowing marquees, and bustling sidewalks create an atmosphere that feels both timeless and contemporary. Beyond Broadway, smaller off-Broadway and off-Broadway venues contribute to a thriving creative ecosystem. Visitors walking through Times Square in the evening often find themselves surrounded by theatregoers heading toward performances that range from classic revivals to modern productions. Number 2. Chicago, Illinois. Chicago's theatre tradition blends historic architecture with a strong local performing arts culture. The Chicago Theatre, with its iconic vertical sign along State Street, remains one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. The city is also known for companies that specialize in innovative stage productions and reinterpretations of classic plays. Neighborhood venues and restored historic theaters throughout Chicago offer audiences an intimate connection to the performing arts, while reflecting the city's long-standing artistic heritage. Number 3. San Francisco, California. San Francisco's theatre scene reflects the city's cultural diversity and artistic independence. The historic Orpheum Theatre and Golden Gate Theatre regularly host touring Broadway productions and classic musicals. Elegant architecture and carefully restored interiors add a sense of historic charm to each performance. Outside the main theatre district, smaller stages throughout the city present experimental productions, Shakespeare performances, and community-driven plays that continue San Francisco's tradition of artistic expression. Number 4. Washington, D.C. In the nation's capital, theatre is closely connected to the country's cultural and historical identity. The Kennedy Center for the Performing Arts stands along the Potomac River as one of the most prominent performing arts venues in the United States. Nearby historic theatres, including Ford's Theatre, combine architecture, history, and live performance in meaningful ways. For visitors, an evening performance in Washington often feels like both a cultural experience and a quiet reflection on the country's artistic traditions. Number 5. Boston, Massachusetts. Boston's theatre district preserves a rich tradition of stage performance that dates back more than a century. Many of the city's theatres have undergone careful restoration, bringing back ornate ceilings, grand staircases, and classic marquee lighting. Venues such as the Boston Opera House regularly host touring productions and ballet performances. The surrounding streets, lined with historic buildings and cafes, create an inviting setting for an evening dedicated to the performing arts. Number 6. Seattle, Washington. Seattle combines a forward-looking creative culture with a respect for historic performance spaces. The Paramount Theatre, originally opened in the 1920s, remains one of the city's architectural and cultural highlights. Inside, elaborate decorative details frame the stage where touring Broadway shows, concerts, and theatrical productions take place throughout the year. Seattle's independent theatre companies also contribute to a dynamic performing arts community that attracts audiences interested in both traditional and contemporary works. Number 7. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Minneapolis has quietly built one of the most respected theatre communities in the United States. The historic Orpheum Theatre anchors a vibrant downtown theatre district that hosts major touring productions. The city is also known for institutions such as the Guthrie Theatre, whose modern design overlooks the Mississippi River. Together, historic venues and contemporary spaces create a well-balanced theatre environment that draws both performers and audiences from across the region. Number 8. Los Angeles, California. While Los Angeles is widely associated with film and television, the city also preserves an impressive collection of historic theatres. The Broadway Theatre District in downtown Los Angeles features beautifully restored venues that date back to the golden age of cinema and stage entertainment. The Pantages Theatre in Hollywood continues to host large-scale musical productions, offering visitors a classic theatre experience within one of the world's most influential entertainment cities. Across the United States, historic theatres continue to serve as gathering places for storytelling, music, and performance. Each city offers its own architectural style, artistic traditions, and cultural atmosphere. For travellers who appreciate the timeless appeal of live performance, these destinations provide meaningful opportunities to explore both the past and the present of American theatre. If you enjoy thoughtful travel stories and cultural destinations like these, consider subscribing to TravelPug for more journeys exploring remarkable places around the world.